The Environmental Protection Agency's notice directing ExxonMobil's local subsidiary to provide unlimited liability parent guarantee for its operations in the Stabroek Block is in keeping with a recent landmark ruling by High Court Judge Sandal Kassoon against Esso Exploration and Production Guyana Limited, EEPGL. Esso Exploration is the local subsidiary of ExxonMobil. The issuance of the notice was confirmed by attorney Sanjeev Dattadin, who is representing the EPA in the ongoing appeal proceedings. But even though the notice was issued in keeping with the 30 days stipulation, the EPA and EEPGL are both seeking to have the decision overturned. During oral arguments before Appeal Court Judge Rishi Prasad on Wednesday, Dattadin and Senior Counsel Edward Loku, who's representing Esso, advanced feisty arguments and were sure of success in the appeal. It is inevitable that this appeal will succeed. I wouldn't even go to good prospects, Loku said. And in a similar energetic manner, Senior Counsel Sinat Jairam, who's representing the respondents, said the appeal court should refuse to hear the EPA and EEPGL in the proceedings. They have not shown by evidence that in complying with the order they will be ruined. Not that I'm conceding at all, but let us set aside the insurance. This permit should have been already cancelled. There's a self-contained formula for cancellation, Jairam said in response to arguments put forward by Dattadin. Dattadin said the matter amounted to a simple issue of interpretation, noting that both the environmental permit and the act make reference to a fixed sum, and as such, the ruling was in conflict by imposing unlimited insurance on Exxon, its parents and affiliates. Dattadin was for the most part supported in his arguments by Loku, who went further to demonstrate the merit in the appeal and prospects of success. In so doing, Loku maintained that the ruling offered a flawed interpretation of the permit and the law. Jairam, on behalf of the respondents, was concerned that the EPA and Esso had not applied for an extension of time to enforce the judgment, but rather was seeking a stay and ultimately an appeal. He accused them of cherry-picking Section 14 of the permit, which has 17 subsections. The Court of Appeal goes into recess for 1 week from tomorrow, but Justice Prasad has promised to provide a date for his ruling next week.